Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I am finally reviewing the Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum that claims to brighten and even your skin's tone. And she looks like this. Sorry if you can hear Toby, he is sleeping here. Glow Recipe very generously sent this over as part of PR. I am not getting paid to share my thoughts and opinions on this product with you all today. If you are new here, my name is Nadia and I'm a licensed esthetician who loves to test and review skincare products. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and be sure to hit that notification bell so that you do not miss any future uploads. Before we get started with today's video, I did just want to mention that I did my hair today and I styled my hair using a T3 styling product, one of their curling irons. I will show you a picture right over here. They are currently having a 20% off sale. I will link to that in the bottom bar down below in case you are interested in a hair styling tool. I really like how it turned out. I have been using the tool since I got it in PR, and I've really been just having loads of fun creating new looks. As you all know, I'm not a hairstylist. You're lucky sometimes if I brush my hair, but with the right tools, I feel that you can get a very, very long way and just kind of update your look, change the vibe, if you will. And I did want to note that the T3 sale goes on from July 21st through July 31st, 2022. Let's just get started with today's video. Glow Recipe describes this as a vitamin C unlike any other, as it delivers clinically effective ingredients in a stable formula. This potent brightening formula treats and prevents dark spots with 5 different forms of vitamin C, guava, and tranexamic and ferulic acids to promote glowy and even toned skin. You can find the Guava Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum at Sephora and glowrecipe.com. A 1 ounce unit of this retails for $45. As of the date that I am filming this, Glow Recipe is currently offering this as part of a set, the Plump and Brighten Treatment Duo, where you receive half an ounce of this particular serum along with their hyaluronic acid kind of plumping serum of the same size, which retails for $28. I will include a screenshot here if possible, and let me know if you would like a review on the hyaluronic acid serum, as I think that they also sent that as part of PR. So let me know if you'd like a review on that in the comments down below. Glow Recipe suggests that you apply 1 to 2 pumps of this onto clean, dry skin. You may use this in the morning or in the evening, making sure that you apply your SPF every single day, rain or shine. Sensitive skin types may want to use this 3 to 4 times per week, and you also want to gradually increase use. You may also layer this Guava Brightening Serum with Strawberry Smooth to clarify and brighten the skin. I do want to say that I did try this combo, but it did not work with the foundation that I am currently using and loving currently. I did try that combo alone and it worked nicely on its own, under sunscreen of course. Now on to ingredients here. The silky non-sticky gel contains some of the best ingredients available. It is loaded with hydrators, anti-aging, and soothing ingredients. The best part of this serum, I think, is that it includes 5 different forms of vitamin C, such as tetrahexyldecyl ascorbate, an oil-soluble, stable form of vitamin C. Oil fat soluble means that it can penetrate further or deeper into the skin than, say, for example, L-ascorbic acid, which is a water-soluble form of vitamin C. Enzymes within the skin convert this vitamin C into ascorbic acid. We also see sodium ascorbyl phosphate, a stable water-soluble form of vitamin C that improves the signs of aging and hyperpigmentation. Enzymes present in the skin work to convert this derivative of vitamin C into vitamin C. The third form of vitamin C here is 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid, another stable derivative of ascorbic acid that has both oil and water-soluble properties that can help to fade hyperpigmentation and provide your skin with some anti-aging benefits. Ascorbyl glucoside is a stable form of vitamin C that can easily penetrate the skin, that also brightens and promotes an even tone. Magnesium ascorbyl phosphate is a water-soluble and oil-loving stabilized form of vitamin C that promotes hydration and also soothes the skin. It may also minimize breakouts. I wouldn't normally include a brief description of each of these derivatives, but after looking at the ingredients, I liked this serum even more for that reason alone. Sometimes I go into tests without looking into the ingredients list in depth. I just kind of look at the descriptions in the packaging, or say the Sephora and Ulta app, and I went into this test without diving deep into the ingredients list. So having a look at all of the 5 derivatives in this formula just really made me appreciate this serum even more. We also see guava and seed oil. Those are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants to help defend the skin against free radical or environmental damage, so no light can go through this unit here. All ingredients will be safe and stable for you. The guava vitamin C dark spot serum also includes ferulic acid and vitamin E, which is oftentimes paired with vitamin C to further stabilize and boost the effects of vitamin C. I began using this particular product on June 4th, and I noted that it blended really nicely over the skin and that it was not sticky. I did detect a very light scent that didn't smell much like guava, and I noted that on that same day, I noted that it worked nicely under my FARMACY sunscreen and my makeup. On June 6th, I noted that for a clarifying effect, this is when I used it with the strawberry serum, I used it over the strawberry serum, and it was not my favorite combo. I felt that it kind of moved my makeup around, and at around like 3 o'clock, my makeup just began to like settle in my lines here, my laugh lines. I'm starting to get those, and I am seeing like another line just kind of start to form over here. So when I used that combo, my makeup just kind of gravitated towards those lines and it just moved everything around. It was just not a good look. I would suggest that combo if you are perhaps not wearing any makeup that day. My skin did look good after I removed all of my makeup though, so that was a nice little plus here. On June 8th, I noted that the guava vitamin C serum works really well on its own. For those dealing with dull skin, you may want to consider layering it under the niacinamide glow serum. You can mix niacinamide and vitamin C with no problem. Do not be afraid to do that. Later on in the month, I noted that the serum also works really nicely while alternating between a retinol and an AHA during my nighttime routine. So this was my vitamin C product of choice throughout the month of June, even now into July. This was my AM serum, and at night I would use retinol one night, AHA another night, perhaps sneak in a hydrating routine here and there. From doing that combo, my skin has just been looking really, really well. As you can probably see in my demo, I have been dealing with some hormonal breakouts here, so that's probably what you're seeing there as well. After testing this under multiple SPFs on June 20th, I noted that this worked incredibly well with the Summer Fridays SPF lotion and Drunk Elephant SPF. Yes, I have been wearing that for my Friday and Saturday morning walks with Toby, and it also worked really nicely under the Pharmacy SPF with no pilling. I have used a number of vitamin C serums before, so I will link my Drunk Elephant Serum Fresh serum review up above in case you'd like to learn a little bit more about that particular serum. That is, I would say, one of my top vitamin C serums because we see the pumpkin and pomegranate extracts there help to enzymatically exfoliate your skin during the day. That particular serum not only brightens, but it also exfoliates. So that makes it one of my favorites. I feel like my skin can tolerate pumpkin very, very well. And I do just like that kind of surface exfoliation happening during the day. However, that serum can be watery and it can be sticky and it can smell a little funky sometimes. And I know that those are deal breakers for some. So if that is a deal breaker for you, I think this could be a good option. Say, for example, you just can't tolerate the enzymes. Say, for example, you just don't like sticky products, or you don't like products that perhaps their scent changes over time. This could be a good option. I feel like I've had this open for about a month and a half now, and the scent has not changed, and the texture and the color has not changed. I'll also link my Summer Fridays CC Me serum review up above. That is a vitamin C product that combines vitamin C and niacinamide. That is another favorite. I feel like it does have a kind of light fragrancy type scent, but it is quite possibly one of the most gentle vitamin C products that I have used and loved. The formula contains niacinamide, whereas this particular formula does not. I found CC Me not to be sticky, and it did not oxidize because I used it so fast. I loved it so much. I went through the unit so quickly. I highly recommend that you use your vitamin C serums in about 3 to 4 months of opening, even though the label may say otherwise. While I wouldn't say that this is my favorite vitamin C serum, I'd say that it works nicely. I'd recommend this to anyone who is looking for a vitamin C serum that does not contain enzymes, AHAs, or PHAs, because I have tested those before and I have loved them. This is a lightweight, non-sticky formula that I feel that I can use year round. From using this daily, I have noticed brighter, more luminous skin. The post-inflammation hyperpigmentation that I have dealt with during breakouts that either tend to happen here along the forehead for me, or even my hormonal breakouts, I feel like my post-inflammation hyperpigmentation has been taken care of quite well from this serum. This also did not irritate, dry out, or further congest my skin, and it also did not break me out. This product worked very well with other products from Summer Fridays, Pharmacy, even my SkinCeuticals hydrating serum, and it worked well on its own. This worked very well under multiple sunscreens, and it also worked well under different moisturizers, such as the Drunk Elephant Protini Polypeptide Cream, the Summer Fridays Dream Oasis, which I tend to kind of use as a moisturizer sometimes. I did not use this under an oil. I will link a video on how I like to use this up above in case you've missed it. If you have normal, combo, dry, oily skin, and you're also dealing with dark spots, dullness, and the signs of aging, I would recommend this to you. I will mention this again. Recommend this to anyone who is just looking for a very basic vitamin C serum that has no other exfoliating actives. If you're using perhaps stronger actives at night and you just want a very simple vitamin C serum during the day, this could be for you. My pros here, I felt like this lifted my post-inflammation hyperpigmentation much faster than anticipated, and there is some weight to the actual unit or the packaging. It is opaque, so again, all of your ingredients here remain stable. It does not smell like guava, which I tend to like that. Guava is not my favorite fruit, unfortunately, and I was afraid that this would smell like guava, but it does not. The scent and odor, as mentioned earlier, has not changed since I opened this unit. I love that this is not sticky at all, and the fragrance here, or the scent that you get, is all natural. Cons: I don't feel like I've noticed any brightening from my one sunspot here, but I did again note that my post-inflammation hyperpigmentation has healed quickly from using this product. I am going to be rating this a 9.5 out of 10. I really enjoyed this product and I will continue to use it until it's empty, because I feel like it almost is. I mean, I can't really tell. Let me know if you have used this in the comments down below. I have really been enjoying some of the comments lately that speak to your experience with using the products I'm reviewing. I feel like this helps everyone in this very small community, as it's not just my voice telling you how, it has been for me. Again, I am just one person. My environment is quite different from yours, and my skin type may also be very, very different from yours. My diet, my stress levels, they're all so different. So it always helps to have other experiences being communicated in the comments down below. So do let me know if you've used this. Let us all learn from each other in the comments down below. Thank you all so much for watching, for spending some time with me today. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Be sure to like this video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. My camera is flipped again. Why am I sweating already? If you do,